Okay, good morning again, colleagues. Well, at present, the road on Manchester Avenue, from coming from Forepath to Maypen, heading towards the stoplight, is now impassable. So for those traveling on this route, heading towards Maypen, please try and take a quick detour and go maybe Jackson Street or so, because the road is now impassable. It has now become a river. So for those persons who maybe started out on this route, try and make a turn like myself here.
Riverbed. Riverbed. See it? Riverbed.
Just follow the road here. Gaya If you want to grow, then grow on. Give them way.
Yes, but block up your eye. You block up your eye. Okay.
Alright, so this is Freetown and this is the river, yeah, and that's the highway up there that passes. So if you notice those big trucks, let me see if I can zoom. Yeah, those big trucks. Yeah, this is it. So this is the way coming from Freetown to Maypen, currently impassable. And this is the river.
Yeah, reporting live. Yeah, Harry Street River. You don't know? Yeah. Not only the truck can cross it. I don't know if this van man here can cross it. Yeah. Right, the truck almost smash up. Hey. Oh, it come down heavy. Ay, ay, ay. Yes, people, this is state of the road, Chapelton Road. This is the bridge. So anybody who live in Bushy Park and Button and those places, you're gonna stay out if you're not in. Yeah.
You don't know if you move it in a